In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up night shift in macOS. First, we have to open up system settings, and here it opens up in general. From here, we just go into displays, and then we scroll down and we click on night shift. Here it says night shift automatically shifts the colors of your display to the warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. This may help you get a better night's sleep. Here we have the schedule for it. Here we have turn on until sunrise, and here we have the color temperature that we would like to have it shift to. Yeah, maybe like this. Then we click on done, and then night shift is going to be applied. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.